Hi everyone, welcome to KSP Creations. We will learn few questions in general knowledge. Here we go. First, which language is known as Italian of the East? Second, how many circles are there in the Olympic flag? Third, what is the height of Burj Khalifa? Fourth, how many chambers are there in human heart? Fifth, how many weeks are there in a year? Sixth, who built the Charminar? Seventh, where is the Big Ben Tower located? Eighth, what is the currency of Singapore? Ninth, what is the length of Great Wall of China? 10th, what is the tallest statue of the world? 'Here is the answers. First, which language is known as Italian of the East? Answer, Telugu. Second, how many circles are there in the Olympic flag? Answer, 5. Third, what is the height of Burj Khalifa? Answer, 828 meters. Fourth, how many chambers are there in human heart? Answer, 4. Fifth, how many weeks are there in a year? Answer, for common year 52 weeks plus 1 day. For leap year 52 weeks plus 2 days. Sixth, who built the Charminar? Answer, Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah. Seventh, where is the Big Ben Tower located? Answer, London in England. Eighth, what is the currency of Singapore? Answer, Singapore dollar. Ninth, what is the length of Great Wall of China? Answer, 21,196 kilometers. 10th, what is the tallest statue of the world? Answer, Statue of Unity. Its height is 182 meters. Hope you learn all these questions. Stay tuned for next video. Thank you.